Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are back with another video. And what we're going to be doing is maybe taking some time to do just a little mini series to help people who really want to do the Dutch pour, but they don't want to use a lot of money or a lot of paint. And so I'm going to be doing just a little mini series to show you how you can get an amazing Dutch pour with few amounts of paint or different colors of paint. Excuse me. So today we're going to be using 3 colors, a base color and 2 other colors, and see how that works to get a Dutch pour. I started already by laying out Blickrylic titanium white. I'm just going to blow this over the canvas. This is a This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and you're going to be doing a Dutch pour on it using 3 colors. 3 colors meaning the base color is one of the colors, titanium white by Blickrylic. And this is just to help you see that it is possible to do a Dutch pour with few colors and have something very nice develop as a result. So we're going to be popping air bubbles and making an effort to introduce the 2 colors. Always popping air bubbles, looking for any foreign debris, any uninvited guests that will cause for anything less than a flawless foundation. So we have that going for us, and now we're going to look at the colors that we like to put on our canvas. We're going to try with one of the colors would be the Liquitex Basics Graphite Iridescent, or Iridescent Graphite. Excuse me. And then the other color we'll use is the Loft Old Gold. We're just going to take and do a design right up the middle here. Okay. We'll follow through with the old gold. Excuse me. We have the Blickrylic titanium white, which is our base in this container, and I'm just going to bring some of that right on top. Again, we're using 3 colors, which includes the base, to help create our design. All right. We'll torch. And see where it takes us. All right, here we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow. Very pretty. The graphite, iridescent, along with the Old Gold by Artist Loft has just made a beautiful statement. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. It's coming through. The gold is really coming through. The black is showing up as a highlight sort of, and it's forming like a gray. Cells are coming in. Beautiful, beautiful lacing. Let's just take and make sure we have no air bubbles. Just a light torch. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of stick here, one of our little plastic reusable tools, and we're going to wipe underneath just to help capture this paint and help bring our design to rest. This is really pretty. Again, this is to help those of you who have limited budget and maybe just not interested in using a lot of paints yet because you don't want to really go all out yet. We're going to be adding to our little mini series. This is starting with just 2 colors in terms of layering colors and a base color, so a total of 3. We use some of the base color to assist with the layering color, so you still have 3 colors to work with, and you can get amazement with it. This is just pretty, really pretty. So let's bring you in for a close-up. All right, everyone, here we have our close-up. This is so pretty. That Graphite Iridescent is just so pretty. It makes for like a black color, but it's got lots of shimmer and shine to it. We have one light on, so you might be able to see it, but look at the cells and look at the lacing that it's just formed with this Artist Loft Old Gold. So, so rich and pretty. I wanted to show, like I said, you can do some amazing work with just a few colors. You don't have to have a ton of colors to really get a beautiful Dutch board. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and you can see the colors are just so pretty. Just 2 colors with a base color giving us this amazing design. I'm loving it. Love, love, love it. You've got lacing, you've got cells, and you've got rich color to really show up. All right, let's take a look at it in a full view. See here, it's a full view of it. That design is really pretty. It's got enough of each of those colors to really make a statement in itself. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave us a comment. Leave us some feedback to let us know what you think about this simple, easy, and really pretty Dutch board that came out with just using 3 total colors. Stay tuned for the next video because we're going to have a build-up. So the next one will be a Dutch board using 4 colors. All right, until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day. Stay safe, and please be prepared to do that notification bell so that you can be informed of our next video. Each and every time we have an upload, you will know. So until then, keep loving your art, and we'll see you on the next video upload. Bye now.